How to use Windows 11 widgets for productivity. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Windows 11 widgets to boost your productivity. So, let's get started. To get widgets on your toolbar first, open the settings on your device. Then go to the personalization option from the left toolbar. Once in it, then scroll down and click on the taskbar option. Here, toggle on the switch of the widgets option. Now you can see the option of widget available at the bottom left corner. Close the settings and click on the widgets icon. Once the widget panel opens, you'll see cards like weather, calendar, to-do, traffic, photos, and more. To customize these widgets, scroll down and tap on Add Widgets. Here you can add useful tools such as calendar, Outlook, to-do lists, notes, traffic updates, weather, sports, stock tracker. After adding a widget, you can rearrange them by pressing and holding, then dragging them wherever you want. To get more control, click the three dots on any widget. Here you can resize the widget, customize the content, remove it, or open the full app. Widgets also sync with Microsoft apps, so your calendar events, reminders, and tasks will update automatically. Using these small tools on the left side of your screen helps you quickly check your schedule, track important tasks, and stay organized without opening multiple apps. That's it. That's how you use Windows 11 widgets for productivity. If this helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.